Welcome to Fascinating. Today we journey through time to uncover the epic story of our home, planet Earth. From its fiery birth to the rise of life and civilization, Earth's history is written in stone and sky. We'll reveal 30 incredible facts that illuminate our planet's evolution. Get ready to explore geology, the emergence of life, and the relentless transformation that shapes our world. This is the story of everything that led to us. Our journey begins now. Our story starts in a swirling nebula 4.5 billion years ago. This vast cloud of dust and gas drifted through the young solar system, illuminated by the light of newborn stars. Within this cosmic nursery, countless particles collided and clumped together, setting the stage for something extraordinary. Gravity pulled dust and gas together, forming a molten, chaotic young Earth. The planet was a fiery sphere, its surface constantly reshaped by intense heat and violent eruptions. The energy from these collisions kept the planet in a liquid state, glowing red-hot in the darkness of space. Asteroids and comets bombarded the planet, delivering heat and vital ingredients. These impacts not only added mass but also brought water, carbon and other essential elements that would one day make life possible. Heavier elements like iron and nickel sank to the center, creating Earth's core, a process called planetary differentiation. This separation formed the layers of our planet, with a dense metallic core and a lighter rocky mantle and crust above. As impacts slowed, a thin crust formed, but volcanoes dominated, releasing gases that formed a toxic, oxygen-free atmosphere. The sky was filled with thick clouds of steam, carbon dioxide, and sulfur, making the surface inhospitable. Water vapor accumulated, and as the planet cooled, it condensed and fell as relentless rain. For thousands of years, storms raged, pounding the barren ground and slowly shaping the landscape. This great rain filled basins, creating the first oceans. These vast bodies of water began to cover the rocky surface, transforming the planet's appearance forever. Imagine a world of black rock and volcanoes, suddenly transformed by a planet-wide flood. The relentless rain carved valleys and filled lowlands, turning a hostile world into one teeming with potential. These oceans became the cradle for life's beginnings. Within their depths, the first building blocks of life would eventually assemble, setting the stage for everything to come. The formation of Earth wasn't just the creation of a rock, it was the creation of a cradle, a place where chemistry could become biology, and where the story of life could unfold. From chaos, a world capable of supporting life emerged. Over millions of years, the barren landscape would give way to oceans, continents, and eventually, the first living organisms. The stage was set for the next chapter. The dawn of life was about to begin, and Earth was ready to nurture it. Earth's story had truly begun, and its journey would shape the universe in ways no one could have imagined. To truly understand our planet, we must look deep inside, far beneath the surface we walk on every day. The crust is our planet's thin, outermost shell, both continental and oceanic, stretching across mountains, valleys, and the vast ocean floor. It's where all life as we know it exists. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a thick, churning sea of hot, semi-solid rock. Here, powerful convection currents drive plate tectonics, slowly moving continents and creating new land over millions of years. Deeper still is the outer core, a swirling ocean of liquid iron and nickel, thousands of kilometers below our feet, hotter than the surface of the sun. The constant motion of this liquid metal generates Earth's magnetic field, a protective shield that deflects harmful solar radiation and creates phenomena like the northern lights. At the very center is the solid inner core, a dense ball of iron and nickel under unimaginable pressure and heat, as hot as the outer layers of the sun. This dynamic interior powers the forces that shape our world: earthquakes, erupting volcanoes, and the slow, relentless shifting of continents. Earth is not a static rock, but a living, restless system, constantly changing and evolving through powerful natural processes. Every tremor, every eruption, is a vivid reminder of the immense energy and activity hidden beneath our feet. Our planet's layered structure is the engine of its evolution, shaping the surface and making Earth the vibrant, ever-changing world we call home. Earth is about 4.54 billion years old, a time span almost beyond comprehension. If Earth's history were a year, modern humans would appear in the last minutes of December 31st. We know this thanks to radiometric dating, which measures the decay of elements like uranium into lead in ancient rocks. By analyzing these ratios, scientists can determine when rocks formed. The oldest Earth rocks are nearly 4 billion years old, but meteorites, unchanged since the solar system's birth, confirm Earth's true age. These space rocks are time capsules, revealing our planet's ancient origins. The story of Earth is written in atoms, stones, and stardust. Our world's age is a testament to the deep history beneath our feet. For millions of years, Earth's vast oceans stretched out under alien skies, lifeless but teeming with potential. These waters, though empty of living creatures, were rich in organic molecules, tiny building blocks drifting and mingling in the primordial soup. Then, in these ancient and mysterious seas, something extraordinary happened. Simple molecules began to organize themselves into more complex, self-replicating structures. This was the spark. Life had begun, quietly and invisibly, deep beneath the waves. The earliest life forms were prokaryotes, tiny, single-celled organisms without a nucleus. They were the first living things on Earth, and they thrived in environments that would be hostile to most life today. For over 1 billion years, these microscopic pioneers were Earth's only inhabitants. They quietly transformed the planet, adapting to changing conditions and slowly shaping the world around them. Among them, cyanobacteria evolved a remarkable ability: photosynthesis. Harnessing sunlight, they produced energy and released oxygen as a byproduct, forever altering the chemistry of the oceans and the air. This innovation triggered the Great Oxidation Event, a dramatic shift that wiped out many anaerobic organisms, but paved the way for more complex life to eventually emerge. Stromatolites, layered mounds built by cyanobacteria, are living fossils, some over 3.5 billion years old. They stand as silent witnesses to the earliest chapters of life on Earth. These ancient microbes changed not only the atmosphere, but also the chemistry of the oceans, making life as we know it possible and setting the stage for all future evolution. Every breath we take today is thanks to these ancient pioneers, whose legacy lives on in the air around us. The legacy of Earth's first life is all around us, etched into ancient rocks and woven into the fabric of our world. Life's incredible story began with the smallest architects, tiny cells that forever changed the destiny of our planet. We've witnessed Earth's transformation, from molten rock to a living world. The ground, air, and water around us hold billions of years of history. These facts are chapters in our own origin story. The journey of discovery continues. There's always more to learn. Like, share, and comment to join us as we explore the wonders of our planet. Our past is the key to understanding our future.